Okay, let's see. Let's figure this out. So this guy is something, right? And we got to balance this side of the equation. So this, the tau number of this, well, sorry, let's do charge first. So plus 1, right? So this equals plus 1. And this has no charge, so I feel like it has no charge, right? This thing can't have charge because the charge is already balanced. So let's look at the electron number. And there are no electrons, so this is just a 0. Let's look at the muon number. This is 0 muons. And this guy is -1 muons, because that's the anti-muon. All right, so let's see. This guy has no muon numbers. Okay, so I feel like this guy's got to be +1, right? Doesn't it? No charge, +1 muon number. Okay, is that right? Yeah. All right. Okay, so now let's look at the tau number. This guy's a -1 tau number. That has no tau number. This is a -1 tau number. The anti-tau muon. No, sorry, anti-tau neutrino. Sorry, I'm getting goofy here. Okay, so I believe my feeling is that this has to be a 0. So what has a +1 muon number and no charge? Let's look at this. It's got to be one of these guys. Which one doesn't have charge? The neutrino, it's free, no charge, right? So it has to be a mu neutrino.